share. And I think it's something nice, something worth to reflect on, something we can apply talaga ng bongga. So, ayun, kanina lang, few minutes ago, I was about to lock my door and sobrang, light bulb talaga yung effect niya sa akin. And I hope, same with you, na, hahayaan ko lang ba na nakalock yung door or hindi. Tapos, naisip ko, parang same din sa life natin. Hahayaan lang ba natin na naka-open yung door or naka-lock yung door? Kasi, you're going to lock it if you know na there's something valuable inside. Something worth it. Something na iniingatan mo. So, ayun, pwede rin na kagaya sa mga thief, mga magnanakaw, diba? Hayaan mo lang ba na open yung door mo and hayaan mo na pwedeng mawala. So I hope ingatan mo rin yung sarili mo. Self-love.